What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going drifting. We're going drifting, you guys. A couple people pulled up to the shop, and they were talking about it, and I asked if I can go, and they said sure, come along. So here I am. I got my tires, my wheels, and yeah. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Every possible G35 in San Diego is here. Whole bunch of G35s, G37s, Infinities, Nissans. That's all it is. Alright, you guys, what is up? So I'm gonna give a bit of a commentary here of what's going on. So this is like my second attempt or second going at it, but the first time I was going right instead of left. Right here I'm trying to go left and trying to break the car loose, but I did realize upon watching the video I had it on the Triptronic, but I also had it on first gear, not second, which is more ideal. So I was trying to break the car loose. It was a little bit harder than normal, and I was going left. Of course, I'm right-handed, so it's my dominant side, so going left was just a pain in the ass. But I wanted to go at it because the first time around I was doing really good going to the right. I just didn't record none of it, and I was getting it. I'm gonna be honest. I wish I had the video to prove it, but I mean, you'll just have to watch another one to see how it went. But right here, like I said, I was trying to break it loose going to the left, and it wasn't going so well. I started to kind of get the hang of it later, but barely. So anyways, yeah, I'll be coming in and out during the video, so enjoy. Alright, so as you guys saw in that previous video, the clip, so I was going right, but for some reason I was like I said before, I was in the first gear of the Triptronic, and it didn't have the sufficient, I don't know, I want to say power almost, like, it's just, I don't know, it was weird, there's something weird about it, and then I was like overdoing it a lot, so I would spin out, and it was just yeah, it was like, this one was like a bad, I wouldn't say it was a bad run because this is my first time, so I'm learning obviously, but I was doing better the first time. I was getting it. When I say I was getting it. So yeah, I don't know. After this video, you're gonna see a clip of some dude. I don't know if you guys saw that SUV come out of that parking lot. The guy comes out, and he like wants to try to do a burnout, and then he tries to do some donuts too in the, what is this, a Suburban, but he's not able to do it, and yeah, he's just, but he was a cool guy, but he just couldn't do it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's backward.
Yeah, like it went back. Alright, you guys, so we had to dip out, unfortunately, because the cops showed up. They said disperse the area, so we're giving out ref tickets. Everybody left. But that was really cool. I got one good, like, not the biggest session, but it was enough just to get a taste of how it is, which was really dope. I'm hella excited about it. I can't wait for it. I had to put my other tires back on because fucking I wasn't able to do it because the cops were there. So just loaded everything up. It's all back here and dipped out. But yes, it was awesome. It was dope. I enjoyed it.